Qureshi, a chartered accountant in practice, died in a road accident, and his widow proposes to sell the practice of her husband to Mr. Pardeshi, a chartered accountant, for 5 lakhs. The price also includes the right to use the firm name, Qureshi and Associates. Can a widow of Qureshi sell the practice, and can Mr. Pardeshi continue to practice in the name of her as a proprietor? Now here in this case, the proprietor has died and the the proprietor has sold the practice to another chartered accountant, which is very much permissible. Sale of goodwill, basically, with reference to clause 2, part 1 of the first schedule of CA Act 1949, the Council of the Institute of India considered that the goodwill of the proprietary concern of a chartered accountant can be sold to another member who is otherwise eligible after the death of the proprietor. So it can be sold. See, if the goodwill of the firm can be sold to another member and is also eligible to practice. It lays down that the sale is permitted subject to certain conditions discussed as above. So that's the thing, certain conditions, like say for example, what is the condition actually here? If the proprietor dies after 1998, then the firm is kept in name of the firm name is kept in abeyance for 1 year, and 1 year time is available to sell the firm for the goodwill. The legal heir of the proprietor is under obligation to inform ICAI, make an information to ICAI to keep the firm name in abeyance, and also inform about the death of the proprietor. Before 1998, they were not keeping the firm name in abeyance, but after 98, their abeyance means in hold. They will not allot that firm name to any person. So in this case, the legal heir of the deceased member has to obtain permission from the council within a year of the death of the proprietor to sell the firm, to make the sale of the firm. So they have to get a permission from the member. That's the thing here. So the widow of Mr. Qureshi, who has proposed to sell the practice for rupees 5 lakhs, is in effect proposing a sale of goodwill. The act of Qureshi, who is a chartered accountant, act of Mrs. Qureshi, the wife of Qureshi, proprietor, is very much permissible. And Pardeshi, who is another member of Institute who purchases the firm, can always practice as a proprietor. There is no professional misconduct in this case. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.